1.5 liter double walled vacuum sealed coffee pot. It's basically like an infuser. That's kind of the way I look at it. You could make like a cold brew coffee, or you can use it for tea. That's what I'm using it for. And I'll kind of walk you through it here. So this will keep something cold for up to 24 hours or something warm for 12 hours. All right, so if we take the top off here, I have tea bags in here, but you could fill this infuser. It's a little hot. You could fill this infuser up, with either tea bags, raw tea, or coffee if you wanted to make a cold brew. You can see it is sealed, so it will not leak. Okay, now I have tea all over my hands. I'm spilling it over the floor. And you can see that you have the tea or whatever you're making in there. I'm gonna pour this out here, so you can see you have your tea. Pretty neat. It's 1.5 liters, like I said, BPA free, pretty large in there, so you could get in there and clean it out. I'll put the top back on there, and it does close, sorry, this way, it just clips on, right? So it won't leak. And then you can pour this out. So you can bring this out, if you were having a party or something like that, make a bunch of tea or a bunch of coffee, and then, pour it as needed. Okay, so that's pretty much the features. It comes with two different colors. This is obviously the gray, but it also comes in black. And yeah, that is pretty much the coffee pot. Really neat. Keep stuff really cold or really warm. I'm really gonna probably use this for cold brew coffee, because you can put the coffee in there, let it brew for about 24 hours, and then put it in your refrigerator and pull it out when you need it.